Hey everyone, welcome to our video. This isn't our normal kind of video. We do lots of traveling. Since we travel in our truck, we need to make it comfortable. So today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing and review on that little chrome piece you see there in the middle of the armrest. It glares at you from all directions. So we decided to get a piece that is matte black and gray. We ordered it off of TRD Beast. You should check them out. It took quite a while for us to get it, but it seems really good quality. As you can see, it is thick and three-dimensional. It's made out of aluminum, I believe, on the top and bottom, with a big chunk of double-sided tape to put in your truck. We got the matte one specifically so it wouldn't shine in our eyes. Long hours getting glared on is just terrible. So those two little holes you see, the square holes, some of the different logos, I'm not sure which ones actually clip in, and you're going to have to take the armrest apart to unclip it from the back. I believe our 1792 actually was just glued on with some double-sided tape, and on a warm day, it just peeled right off. So just make sure you clean it really good. I would not recommend any kind of 409 like I did. Definitely doesn't smell good in the truck. Then all you have to do is peel off the backing and sticks right on. We have already done the other blackout around the vents, the shifter, and the cup holders. Worlds better, let me tell you. Those other ones are from AJT Design. The rings were great, but the cup holders and the shift rings didn't fit very well. They ended up all right, but nothing special. Just a note, we are not endorsed, paid, or sponsored in any way. We have bought all of these parts with our own hard-earned money. We travel permanently around North America. We love to see all of the amazing places there is to see and to share our experiences with everyone else out there. Our next goal is to do the entire Gulf Coast from southwest Texas all the way to the Florida Keys, then head north and follow the East Coast all the way to Canada before heading back home in Colorado. So there we have it. It's all put together now. As easy as that. I would definitely go check out TRD Beast. They had tons of different things for all kinds of different Toyotas, from bright and shiny to matte, and anything you'd like to make your car or truck look a little bit cooler. I am definitely enjoying it. Doesn't shine in your eyes anymore. Hope everybody liked the short little video today. It was fun to make, and it's always fun to add a little something to your truck. I just got something else in the mail, not truck related, but definitely to make our videos a little bit better. Here's a little sneak peek.